We're gonna play the game. Let's complete the phase. And team A got Iris and Frank, and team B got Kevin and Angel. Okay, so we have some numbers, and every number got some, body parts. Like 1 got nose, 2 got eyes, 3 got mouth, 4 got ears, 5 got head, and 6 got bone. It means that if you got 6, then you will erase 1 body part. Okay, so everyone, are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. I can't hear. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, very good. Here is the dice. I'm going to toss the dice, and if the first team, team A, what number is it? You're gonna, draw 1 body part on your face. Okay? Aris, come on, toss the dice. It's number 3. Number 3. Come on, Aris. 1, only 1. Yeah. Draw 1 mouth. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay. Angel, it's your turn. Come on, toss the dice. Toss the dice. Number 2. Come on. Number 2, Angel. Number 2 are eyes. Very good. Eyes, very good. Eyes, good job. Frank, it's your turn. Come on, toss the dice. Quickly, quickly. 1, 2, 3, go. Number 2. Number 2 is eyes. Very good. You got eyes. Very good. Eyes. Very good. Put it down. Now, Frank, your turn. Number 2, Frank, come on. Oh, you already got eyes. I'm sorry. Come on, Kevin. Number 4. Number 4. Oh, you already got ears. Sorry. Number 1. Nose. Yeah. You got nose. Come on, draw a nose. Very good. Number 5. Number 5 is head. Very good. Come on, head. Hair. Yeah, hair. You got hairs. Okay, now, Frank, your turn. Number 3. Number 3 is, oh, you already got mouth. I'm sorry. Very good. Number 3 is mouth. 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 Speak English, Frank. Mouth. So, team Kevin and Angel is